Have you ever wondered why snakes seem to get faster as they grow? It's a fascinating phenomenon that has puzzled many animal enthusiasts and scientists alike. As we explore this question, we'll delve into the world of reptilian biology and uncover the secrets behind the snake's increasing speed. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the factors contributing to this remarkable ability, and I'll provide you with a comprehensive explanation that will leave you slithering your way to a deeper understanding of these fascinating creatures. As snakes grow, their bodies undergo significant changes that impact their movement pattern. One key factor is the increase in muscle mass and power. Just like how human athletes develop stronger muscles through training, snakes build up their muscular strength as they mature. This enhanced muscle power enables them to generate more force with each contraction, resulting in faster movement. Another crucial aspect is the snake's skeletal system. As they grow, their bones become longer and more slender, allowing for greater flexibility and range of motion. Imagine a gymnast who can stretch further and move more fluidly. It's similar for snakes. This increased flexibility enables them to cover more ground with each slither, contributing to their overall speed. Now, let's talk about the snake's skin. As they grow, their scales become more overlapping and tightly packed, reducing friction and allowing them to glide more smoothly over surfaces. Think of it like a well-oiled machine. The smoother the surface, the less resistance there is, and the faster the snake can move. Lastly, snakes have an incredible ability to adapt to their environment. As they grow, they become more aware of their surroundings and learn to optimize their movement patterns accordingly. For example, a larger snake may use its increased strength to propel itself up trees or across rocky terrain with greater ease. This adaptation is crucial in allowing them to exploit new resources and habitats. To recap, the main reasons why snakes increase their speed as they grow are increased muscle, mass, and power, enhanced skeletal flexibility, improved skin scales for reduced friction, adaptation to environment, and optimization of movement patterns. These factors combined allow snakes to move more efficiently and cover greater distances with ease. Remember, it's not just about the snake getting bigger. It's about how their bodies change and adapt to enable faster movements. And there you have it, the fascinating story behind why snakes increase their speed as they grow. I hope this explanation has left you with a newfound appreciation for these incredible creatures. Wow. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to explore further, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife, insights, and educational content.